Dear students, in this session, we are going to study about close packing in three-dimensional arrangement. See here, the placing of second layer over the first layer. Let us take the two-dimensional hexagonal close packed layer A. Then, place a similar layer above it, such that the sphere of the second layer are placed over the depression of the first layer. Here the first layer and the second layer, these two placed in the depression of the first layer like staggered manner. Since the spheres of the two layers are aligned differently, like first layer take A type and second layer is a B type, then again third layer is a type, so it forms AB type of layer. So you arranged like this. Then let us call the second layer as a B, first layer as a, like that it forms AB type. Then that not all the triangular voids of the first layer are covered by the spheres of the second layer. So this gives rise to the different arrangements where a sphere of the second layer is above the void of the first layer and vice versa. A tetrahedral void is formed. Here T indicates tetrahedral void, O indicates octahedral void. The spheres of the second layer is placed over the first layer, means the arrangement is what? Below the three atoms are present. Then placed above the three atoms, one more atom is there. So that gives the tetrahedral void. Then close packing in three-dimensional structures. Here the T indicates tetrahedral void. They place the three-dimensional structures. Here it is obtained by placing the 2D layer one above the another layer. So we can arrange the spheres in the three-dimensional in the two different ways. Let us see how these tetrahedral voids are formed. See here, the first layer is A type, second layer is B type, third one is A type. Means the first and second layer both are different. They placed in the staggered manner or they placed depressions in the form of depression. See here, these three atoms are below and placed one above. You know the tetrahedral structures is like this. It's surrounded by the four atoms, four corners that consisting of the four atoms. So this hole is called as what? Here one void is there, no middle. That is called as the tetrahedral hole. Otherwise that is called as the tetrahedral void. The empty space presenting in this, no, that is called as the tetrahedral void. Then later on, place the three atoms below and three atoms on the above side. Then this forms the octahedral void. In given below, see in A structure, three atoms are below and place the three atoms above. They are in the alternate position. First and the second layer are in the alternate positions. Then they form the octahedral void. The octahedral void, the three layers are the below and the three layers are the above. They are placed in the alternatively. Then it forms the octahedral void. Then the structure of octahedral void is like this. That can be surrounded by the 6 atoms. See here, the number of these two types of voids, they depending upon the number of close packed spheres. Let the number of close packed spheres in case of the octahedral void is equal to n. Then the number of close packed spheres n in case of the tetrahedral void is equal to 2n. And the other spaces, the triangular voids in the second layer are above the triangular voids in the first layer. That forms the octahedral structure. That is surrounded by the 6 atoms. Then tetrahedral, the four corners that can be surrounded by the 4 atoms. So there the coordination number is 4 in the tetrahedral. In case of octahedral, the coordination number is 6. So it is surrounded by the 6 atoms. Here 6 and 4 in case of 3-dimensional by placing the second layer over the first layer. Then in case of the octahedral by placing the second layer over the first layer. Means the triangular voids of the second layer are above the triangular voids of the first layer. Means that can be surrounded by the 6 voids. Then that time the coordination number is 6. Next, placing the third layer over the second layer. Then covering the tetrahedral voids. See, when third layer is placed over the second layer, there are two possibilities are there. What are those? Covering the tetrahedral void and then covering the octahedral void. Octahedral voids. See, in first one, the hexagonal closed cubic plaking exploded view is there. This is an exploded view of the hexagonal closed packing structure. Then in B, this is a structure of 4 layers stacked in each other. They are stacking in case of one above the another. Then in third layer, this is about the geometry of the packing is there. Let us come to the first one, covering of the tetrahedral void in case of the hexagonal closed packing structure. In tetrahedral void of the second layer may be covered by the spares of the third layer. So here first one is placed A, then B, then A, B. Then different type of arrangement is there. So this type of arrangement is forms the AB type of the arrangement. So in this pattern, this type of structure we call it as a hexagonal close packed structure or call it as a HCP. This sort of arrangement of atom is found in many type of the metals like magnesium and the zinc. Then in second one, cubic close packing structure. Here the placement is what? First A type, then later on B type. Again the different C type is also added. But the A type is below and another A type is above. They are not in the alternate positions. So later on it forms the cubic close packing structure. So this is a 3-dimensional view of the hexagonal close packing. Layer A, then B is placed above the A, later on A, then B. Alternative positions, then it forms the hexagonal close packed structures. Then another one C layer is added, then ABC layer, that forms the cubic close packed structures. So this is an geometry of the hexagonal close packed structures. This is the crystal of an face-centered cubic crystal. The total space filled in the FCC is what? 74%. There, the coordination number in case of FCC is equal to 12. FCC is a face-centered cubic crystal. Then covering the octahedral voids. So in first images, here the ABC type of arrangement of the layers. When the octahedral void is covered here, then the third layer may be placed over the second layer. This third layer may be placed over the second layer. Then in such a manner, the octahedral void is formed. When placed in this manner, the spheres of the third layer are not aligned with those of the either of the first and the second layer. This arrangement is called as the C type of the arrangement. The third layer is C type. It is placed over the B. So then it gives the hexagonal octahedral void. Then in structure B, There, the formation of the cube takes place. Means the fragment of the structure formed by the arrangement of these resulting cubic close packed structures, or it resulting in the formation of the face-centered cubic close packed structures. Here only when the fourth layer is placed, its spheres are aligned with that of the first layer. First layer and the fourth layer are the similar here. This pattern of layer is often we call it as a ABC type of structures. So this structure we will call it as a CCP structure, or the cubic close packed structures, or we will call it as the FCC structure, or the face centered cubic structures. The metals such as copper and the silver, they may crystallizes in the form of these structures. Both these type of the close packing structures, they are highly efficient and they may occupy 74% of the efficiency of the particles in that. So in either of them, the each pair is in contact with the 12 spheres. So in case of FCC, the coordination number is equal to 12 in either of the two structures. Each CCP is equal to FCC. Then build of the CCP layers like ABC packing. See here, this is an hexagonal close packed structures. Here the white formed in the middle, that forms tetrahedral, and it forms the close packed structures. By add the construction lines, can see the FCC unit cell. FCC unit cells, there the 8 atoms are at the 8 corner of the cube, and 6 atoms are present at the 6 faces of the cube. Then here the close packed structure is equal to the face centered cube, because they are oriented perpendicular to the body diagonal to the cube, that each body diagonal that can consisting of the 1 atoms nearby, and each face diagonal that also consisting of the 1 atoms each by. Yes, this is all about the tetrahedral void and the octahedral void. We know that the space cannot be filled entire space of the unit cell. So this implies that the atomic packing factors, that is less than the 1. Thus there is a void space between the atoms takes place. The void is what? It is an empty space present in the crystals. The size and the distribution of void in the material, they may play a role in determining the aspects of material behavior. Then there are mainly two types of the voids are present in the material. Those are tetrahedral void and the octahedral void. See here, the tetrahedral void is a solid that can be bounded by the 4 equilateral triangular faces. It is in the form of a pyramidal based on a equilateral triangle. The voids having the shape of the tetrahedron are called the tetrahedral voids. In tetrahedral voids, they have the coordination number is equal to 4, because that can be surrounded by the 4 atoms at the 4 corners. There the coordination number is equal to 4. Whenever a sphere of the second layer is above the void of the first layer and vice versa, then the tetrahedral void is formed. Next, octahedral voids. The octahedral void is a solid that can be bounded by a 8 equilateral triangular faces and a bipyramidal based on a square or the triangular antiprism. These voids having the shape of the octahedron are called the octahedral void. Then each that can be surrounded by the 6 atoms. Then the octahedron voids, they have the coordination number is equal to 6. So whenever one atom is above the another one and one is below the void that can be created by the 4 atoms of the same layer, then the octahedral void is formed. So let us see the 3-dimensional arrangement of the tetrahedral void and the octahedral void.